I tried GeroWallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I started testing the GeroWallet app, I wasn't expecting much. It's a Cardano-based wallet, and honestly, most people overlook those in favor of Ethereum wallets. But after 7 days of hands-on use, the shocking truth is that GeroWallet may be one of the most underrated wallets in the crypto world. From day one, I was impressed by how smooth and polished the interface was. Connecting to the Cardano blockchain was instant, and sending aided transactions fell faster than expected. GeroWallet isn't just about storing crypto, it's built for interaction. You can stake ADA directly in the app, connect to Cardano-based DeFi platforms, and even manage NFTs, all within a few taps. What really caught my attention is how beginner-friendly it is. Most people get this wrong. They assume Cardano wallets are complex or slow. But GeroWallet breaks that stereotype with clean visuals, quick sync times, and real-time price tracking. During my 7-day test, I also explored its browser extension, which integrates seamlessly with decentralized exchanges and nifty marketplaces. It's basically Cardano's answer to MetaMask, except with lower fees and stronger focus on staking rewards. Security-wise, GeroWallet encrypts your private keys locally, meaning your data never leaves your device. Now, there are a few small downsides. The ecosystem is still growing, so you won't find as many dApps as you would on Ethereum or Solana. And while the staking rewards are solid, the app could use clear tutorials for absolute beginners. By the end of the week, the shocking truth was obvious. GeroWallet proves that Cardano isn't just a sleeping giant, it's waking up. This app gives you full control, reliable performance, and an elegant way to participate in one of the most promising blockchain networks out there. If you're even slightly curious about Cardano, this wallet makes it easier than ever to dive in.